I hope you're having a great day. I hope you had a beautiful day and you're preparing for a nice evening today. And it is on your to-do list to have a great night of sleep, because sleep is one of the most powerful drugs that exists naturally and free of cost. Today, I want to talk to you about an amino acid called glycine, Glycine. Glycine is a non-essential amino acid. What does that mean in simple English? Our body doesn't make it. We need to get it from the food that we eat. I keep saying that the human body is a microscopic marvel of engineering with trillions of cells working in harmony with each other, with all of your organs to keep this amazing body going. When our cells and everything's working in harmony, it's called great health. When we're in disharmony, it's called disease. Sometimes even the absence of an amino acid, essential or non-essential, can cause immense problems in the human body. Let's learn about glycine today, and I'll tell you exactly why I've selected this particular topic. Number one, because sleep is such a big issue, and glycine as an amino acid can help you to sleep deeper. It can calm down your body. It can lower your core body temperature. It can help you fall asleep faster. It increases GABA in your brain, bringing on calm and relaxation, because we know if we're stressed out, it's difficult for us to sleep. Now, is it a magic pill? No, but it is an amino acid that works with different parts of your body and different chemicals to sleep deeper. At the end, I'm going to give you the dosage. If you do it, of course, with your medical supervision, if you're on any other drugs, or I will tell you how to take it. All right. The second benefit, collagen. Everyone's buying collagen supplements, and collagen is essential for us. It can help you to reduce wrinkles on your face. It can increase the skin moisture on your face. It's great for your bone strength. It's great for your cartilage. It's great for your muscle. So yes, collagen is great. But do you know that this amino acid, glycine, forms almost 33% as the main component of collagen? Which means if I have the right amount of glycine in my body, I am able to stimulate and produce my own natural collagen effectively. Now, as a choice, I would always like to produce more collagen and then depend on outside sources of collagen if I need to. So I'm going to talk about how we can use it for that as well. The next is muscle synthesis. So glycine can help you with muscle synthesis. It can help you with energy during your workout. It works with your muscle and it works with your mitochondria, which are little factories that create energy in the body. It doesn't end there. Glycine has been scientifically studied to play an important role in the prevention of cardiac arrests. Now, there are many things that can go towards a cardiac arrest, but hey, this amino acid plays a role as well. And that's because it's highly anti-inflammatory in nature. It plays a role with your gut health, improving the integrity of your mucosal lining. Like I say, your food, your body extracts different vitamins and minerals and amino acids from the foods that we eat, and then it takes it and it creates this chemical marvel in the body. Now, we can get glycine from many sources. Very few from vegetarian, but mostly from non-vegetarian. So if you're eating beef, if you're eating chicken, you're getting a lot of glycine. For the vegetarians, it would be your beans, your legumes, your rajma, your chana, your black beans, your pinto beans, your garbanzo beans. So if you have a portion of beans, you are getting a fair amount of glycine already through your diet. Now, what is the general dosage? Please, everything is with a disclaimer. Check with your doctor. But glycine is an amino acid. It is not a medicine, so you don't really have to worry about it unless your doctor's told you not to have it. Now, if I wanted to improve my sleep at night, I would take 3 to 5 grams of glycine. All right, you can buy glycine powder or you can buy the glycine supplement. I prefer the powder because I don't want to put the pill in my body. Now, I can take 3 grams, and it's best taken mixed with water. And if I'm taking a magnesium supplement, I want to take a magnesium glycinate. So I take about a 3 mg of glycine with my magnesium glycinate about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Now, because this is natural, it's not going to work like your sleeping medication. Give it a couple of days, and you still got to do your work. Get off your phones, block blue light, try to calm down your mind with your breath work, with your prayer. But this combination of glycine and magnesium glycinate can work wonders for you. Now, the grace of God, I'm blessed to sleep well most nights. So I don't need a magnesium glycinate, nor do I need glycine. But for the whole of last week, I picked up a box of glycine, and I've been taking 3 grams of glycine mixed with water about 90 minutes before bed. I don't really know if it's working too well for me because I already sleep well. So it's great. I can tell you a lot of our patients do it. They take glycine and it's definitely helping them calm down and fall into a deeper sleep. It's not a magic pill. Do not overdo it. If you're under the supervision of a professional nutritionist, you can go from 3 grams to even 5 grams of glycine. If you're pregnant, you shouldn't do it. If you're on antipsychotic drugs, you should not be consuming glycine. For everyone else, if you're a carnivore or you're a non-vegetarian, most of us would get glycine from the food that we eat, but most of us are not eating wholesome meals today. We're either skipping a meal or we're not eating the right kind of balance. That's when you can do it. I have a lot of patients who are sleeping well with even just 1 gram of glycine. So the recommended dosage could be anywhere between 3 to 5 under medical supervision or the supervision of a professional. If you have sleep problems, mix it with water, drink it, and have a magnesium glycinate. The magnesium glycinate with the glycine will help you sleep better. There's a reason why we use glycine even with our cancer patients, through foods and after their chemotherapy and radiation in a supplement form, because guess what? It prevents muscle wasting. That's why a lot of athletes, a lot of people who gym, a lot of people who do not want to lose muscle use glycine during or after their workout. We use it with people with cancer because muscle wasting is a side effect of the chemotherapy and the disease. And you want to try to hold on to as much of muscle as you can when you're going through cancer and when you're going through treatment. This is how essential the knowledge of amino acids are. And these are where you can get amino acids from. Since this is non-essential, our bodies don't make it, means we have to get it from the food that we eat. I'm always a fan of getting our nutrients and vitamins and minerals from food first. But consider this, there's a patient who has a compromised gut, going through chemo, doesn't have an appetite. How are they going to eat the food to get the glycine or other essential and non-essential amino acids that they need? That's when you come in with the smart ways of integrating supplementation with food, keeping your doctor in the loop. Glycine powder is easily available. There should be no other ingredients except glycine. You want to avoid the glycine with orange flavor and chocolate flavor. You don't need the additional artificial colors or the sweeteners. Glycine on its own has a mild sweet taste, so it doesn't taste bad. You can mix it with water and have it. Start with 1 gram, move to 2 grams, 3 grams. Anywhere between 3 to 5 is perfect. If you have side effects or you feel it's not meant for you, just use your common sense and don't do it. The reason I'm explaining this to you today is because sleep is extremely important for you. And too many people out there are missing out on their sleep. It's not for kids. It's not for teenagers. Kids and teenagers should be eating a wholesome diet and getting all of their nutrients from this unless they're going through a medical condition and it is advised to them professionally. For everyone else, please understand this is not your magic pill. While it can assist you, it plays a huge role with GABA in your brain, which also helps you to sleep. This is one of the amino acids that can be pretty powerful for you. Have a great day, everyone, and sleep well.